Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I will be planning in my wellness planner for the week of December 3rd through the December 9th. And here is the current week. Got my mood tracker, and oh my gosh, we're moving into December. And okay. This is the last month I will be using this planner. Kind of bittersweet. I'll be moving in again to the Healthy Hero. But, okay. Pull out, get these started. And what I will be doing or using for this week, kind of was inspired to use this book. I haven't really used it. This is the Brights sticker book that recently came out. And then, of course, I have, oops, stuff there. I have my fitness books. And then I have all of my rolls of washi, or sticker rolls. Okay, so let's get started. I think I got it. This is a really different spread for me because I typically don't gravitate toward bright colors, but I ended up using, I think, this book entirely. So it was kind of neat, except for the little feet that came out of the Healthy Hero. So let's put this in here. I like to not do themes in this planner, you know, seasonal themes, so it was kind of fun even though it was December really just wanted to do something completely different. So I kind of like the way that it turned out. Let's just do that in there. And then when I'm done with today, I will move over my mood tracker and my bookmark. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.